Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video from Future Connect. In today's video we are going to look into data science. Here we go. So what is data science? Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. Why data science is important? Industries need data to help them make careful decisions. Data science turns raw data into meaningful insights. Therefore, industries need data science. With the help of data science, industries can do better marketing, help the company to acquire customers by analyzing their needs, aid in product innovation by analyzing and creating insights. With the decisions and insights provided, the companies can adopt appropriate strategies and customize themselves for enhanced customer experience. Still, if you have any questions related to the purpose of data science, visit futureconnect.net or send us a mail to info@futureconnect.net. With Future Connect, make your training program